The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Beloit, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Janesville around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Shapir, Afton, Tiffany, and Avalon. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
And by the way, guys, if you're wondering, no, I do not live in Wisconsin. I live in here, like, I'm currently in my house here in Illinois. So, yeah, but as you all know, I live really close to Wisconsin, so that's why it'll go off for Wisconsin.